and then I'll tell you how to apply that formula also. So median is given by L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Okay. So here also first step is to identify median class. To identify median class. Median class कैसे identify करेंगे? जो हमको क्लास इंटरवल दिया है, फ्रीक्वेंसी दिया है, इनके दोनों के कॉलम्स होंगे. नेक्स्ट कॉलम विल मेक इज ऑफ क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी, आफ्टर मेकिंग क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी विल टोटल नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस बाय 2 करेंगे. तो यहाँ इससे n by 2 से जो जस्ट ग्रेटर होगी, दैट फ्रीक्वेंसी के करस्पॉन्डिंग क्लास विल बी मीडियन क्लास. ओके, सो मीडियन क्लास की जो लोअर लिमिट है दैट इज L. n by 2 is total observation upon 2 minus cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class, and F is frequency of median class, H is class size. Okay, this formula will be more clear if we will take one example. So I am taking example 7. Okay, survey regarding height of 51 girls of class 10th of a school was conducted and following data was obtained. Okay, we are given height and number of girls. Okay, so height is less than 140 centimeter, 145 centimeter, 150, 155, 160 and 165. This less than, this is given. It is not given in form of class interval. So first step will be converting this data in form of class interval and then solving. So this is height and number of girls. Second column, next column is number of girls. Number of girls, that is 4, 11, 29, 40, 46 and 51. This is what given in the question. Okay, height less than 140 centimeter कितनी गर्ल्स की है? 4 गर्ल्स की है. ठीक है, तो जब हम क्लास इंटरवल के फॉर्म में लिखेंगे, विल राइट दिस वे, बिलो 140 4 गर्ल्स, फ्रीक्वेंसी इज 4. ओके, देन अब 145 से कम हाइट है 11 गर्ल्स की. 11 गर्ल्स आर हैविंग हाइट लेस देन 145 एंड लेस देन 140 इज 4 गर्ल्स. दैट मीन्स 140 से 145 के बीच में कितनी गर्ल्स है? 11 माइनस 4. अगर 140 सेंटीमीटर से कम है 4 गर्ल्स की हाइट, 145 सेंटीमीटर से कम है 11 गर्ल्स की हाइट, तो 140 और 145 के बीच में कितने गर्ल्स होंगी? 11 माइनस 4. ओके, सो इट विल बी 7. सिमिलरली लेस देन 145 हाइट है 11 गर्ल्स की, लेस देन 150 हाइट है 29 गर्ल्स की, तो 145 और 150 के बीच में होगी 29 माइनस 11, सो इट विल बी 18. So 145 to 150, this will be 18. Similarly 155, 150 to 155, it will be 40 minus 29, so it will be 11. Then 155 to 160, it will be 46 minus 40, so it will be 6. And 160 to 165 will be 51 minus 46, so it will be 5. So first thing, जब भी हमको less than type data दिया है, तो we have to obtain frequency this way. Okay. अब ये obtain करने के बाद we'll make one more table, that is cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency is writing 4 as it is. अब ये जो 4 है इसको इस 7 में add करेंगे, we will write 11 here. 11 plus 18, 29 this way. So writing this 4 as it is, 4 plus 7, 11. 11 plus 18, 29, 29 plus 11 40, 40 plus 6 46, 46 plus 5 51. Okay, so first thing is in question, if class intervals are not given, less than type or more than type data is given, first step should be converting them to class intervals. Okay, after converting them to class intervals, okay, will obtain a frequency. हम इसी डाटा में से फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालेंगे. फ्रीक्वेंसी कैसे निकालेंगे? जैसे बिलो 1 लेस देन 140 सेंटीमीटर 4 गर्ल्स की हाइट है, लेस देन 145 11 की है, तो 140 से 145 के बीच में ऑब्टेन करने के लिए 11 माइनस 4 करना पड़ेगा. This way we'll get all the frequencies. Next table will obtain of cumulative frequency. Actually this data which is given for less than is actually cumulative frequency दी है हमको, frequency नहीं दी है, तो cumulative frequency से हमने frequency निकाली. Okay, now yes
मैम बस हमने लास्ट वाले नंबर से एक नंबर
1 minute. Here we are finding median and n is 51. For obtaining median class we have to first of all find n by 2. N by 2 is 51 upon 2, that is equal to 2. What it will be? 51 upon 2. Sorry, n is 53, 51 ही है ना, right? So it is 25.5. Okay, n is 25.5. अब ये 25.5 यहाँ cumulative frequency में देखो, cumulative frequency में 25.5 से just greater number कौन सा है? 25.5 से जो बस थोड़ा सा ही ज्यादा हो, 29. Okay, so when we will obtain this, इसके corresponding जो class है that is median class. Okay, ऐसे obtain करना है हमको. सबसे पहले n लेना है, n by 2 obtain करना है. n by 2 को cumulative frequency में देखना है वो कहाँ पे lie करेगा, जहां पे वो lie करता है उससे just बड़ी. Okay, 25.5 से just nearest and greatest. 25.5 से बड़ा और सबसे close, that is 29. उसके corresponding जो class interval है that is median class. So median class is 145 to 150. Okay, now the formula which I just told you, median. Okay, here L is actually the lower limit of median class. Okay, L is lower limit of median class. Okay, n by 2 we have just now seen total number of observations by 2. CF, cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Okay, and F is frequency of median class. Okay, and H is class size. Okay, so here L is what? L is this is L. Okay, n by 2. CF, cumulative frequency of class preceding median class. Okay, this is actually one of very common mistake. Cumulative frequency उसी class की ले लेते हैं students and they do not end up getting right answer. So cumulative frequency यहाँ पे formula में cumulative frequency of class preceding median class है, that is 11. Okay, F is frequency of median class, that is 18. H is class size, that is 5. Okay, now putting in this all things in formula, median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L was 145, n by 2. N by 2 is 51 upon 2. CF, cumulative frequency of class preceding median class, we have just now seen is 11. Okay, and frequency of median class is 18. Okay, and H is class size, that is 5. So this we have to solve. That is equal to 145 plus 25.5 minus 11 by 18 into 5. Okay. So this is 145 plus 14.5 upon 18 into 5. So this is actually 149.03. Okay. So median height of girls is 149.03 centimeter. Okay. Now exercise 14.3. The following frequency distribution gives the monthly consumption of electricity of 68 consumers of locality. Find the median, mean and mode. Okay. So here actually class interval is given and number of consumers, that is frequency. Okay. And this is frequency. Class interval 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185 and 185 to 205. Okay. So this is given. Frequency is 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8 and 4. Okay. We have to actually find all the three, but we'll be finding only, I'll be explaining only median, mode and mean you will be finding as homework. Okay. So first step, we are given class intervals, we are given frequency, obtaining cumulative frequency. How can we obtain cumulative frequency? First number will write as it is. Next number 4 plus 5. क्या होगा next number?
9.
9. Next number 9 plus 13, what
18.
it will?
अच्छा 9 plus 13.
क्या होगा?
22.
22. Next number what it will be? 22 plus 20? 42. Next number 42 plus 14? 56. Next number 56 plus 8?
64.
64. 64 plus 4?
68.
68. Okay. Actually one thing, if you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, जो last number यहाँ पे आएगा वो number of observations जो दिए होंगे like 68 consumers of a locality, तो total consumers के equal होंगे या total जो भी frequency है उसके equal होंगे. If it is not coming equal, that means somewhere in addition you have done mistake. Okay. Now after doing this, how we'll find median class? N by 2. First step is N by 2. N by 2 क्या होगा? 68 by 2. That is equal to 34. 34 कहाँ पे लाई करेगा? अब क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी की टेबल देखो. इसमें 34 किस जगह लाई कर रहा है? Where is 34 lying? Between 22 and 42. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
तो जो इसमें हायर साइड है इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग जो क्लास
125 to
इंटरवल है
135.
दैट इज मीडियन क्लास. मीडियन क्लास लोकेट करने में किसी को कोई डाउट है? सो वी कैन राइट
No,
मीडियन.
ma'am.
नो. मीडियन क्लास इज 125 to 145. So L is what? 125. F is what? 20. And cumulative frequency जो फॉर्मूले में है वो कौन सी यूज करेंगे? 22.
22.
Okay. H is what? 65 to 85. तो 85 minus 65 क्लास साइज कितनी है? क्लास साइज 85 minus 65, 20. Okay. Is it clear? Okay, so let us see it again. Uh, has everybody finished this question? Like this part, median part? Let us see it again. सबसे पहले हमने क्या किया, n by 2 obtain किया. n by 2 is coming 34. 34 we will try to find in this cumulative frequency table. Where is 34 lying? It is lying between 22 and 42. तो इसमें जो अपर साइड वाला होगा उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हम इधर चलेंगे, और जो क्लास आ रही है दैट इज मीडियन क्लास. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज ऑब्टेनिंग मीडियन क्लास. Now we'll all note down the frequency f of median class. We'll obtain the frequency of class preceding median class. Okay, so CF is 22, F is 20, L is 125, H is class size fix है सबकी 20 20. So 65 85 minus 65, that is 20. Okay, now median formula will put median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. L is 125 plus 34 minus 22 upon 20 into 20. So we'll get 37. This is how we'll get median. Okay.